friends. Today we're taking you on a fun and informative journey about the Malaysian Ringgit note, how it's made, where it's made, who makes it, and what security features it has. So sit comfortably and give us 12 minutes. We'll take you inside Malaysia's currency printing factory, from raw cotton to the final note. Let's start. First, let's talk about Malaysia. This is Malaysia, a beautiful country in Southeast Asia with 13 states and 3 federal territories, a small but strong economy. Malaysia's economy now focuses on industry and services. Malaysia is second in the world in palm oil production. The currency here is called ringgit, meaning serrated, from 16th century Spanish silver coins with serrated edges. Look here, Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Johor Bahru, Kota Kinabalu, and Kuching, and everything gets scanned. No mistakes allowed here.
Перевірка вантажу. Документи, будь ласка. Так, ось вони.
Все в порядку?
Так, дані збігаються, можете їхати.
A forklift carefully unloads each bale. These rolls you see are polymer substrate. Looks like plastic. Explaining warmly, polymer notes last longer because they resist water and dirt. Interesting fact, Malaysia introduced polymer notes in 2004, the 5 ringgit note. This is the raw material warehouse with controlled temperature. 59. The tank contains purified, demineralized water. Fibers now float in water. Exciting, building energy. A hydraulic mixer spins fast at 50, breaking large pieces into smaller ones. Sparks fly from static electricity. Amazing, this machine spins at 5,000 fibers separating. Informative, each cotton fiber is 2 to 3 centimeters long. After grinding, it reaches millimeter level. Descriptive, these fibers emphasizing, this process is called pulping. Mysterious, slightly secretive. Now a chemical pipe adds optical brightening agents that make paper bright. Under UV light, these agents react specially. Lowering voice, security additives are also added that make the notes special. Whisper, their formula is top secret. Impressed, steady. An automated control panel monitors temperature, consistency, and pH level. All perfect. Digital screens in Malay update every 5 seconds. Admiring technology. A heavy-duty filtration system with 5 layers removes impurities. Clear water recycling pipes shows water gets recycled, not wasted. Smooth, flowing. Now clean pulp flows through stainless steel pipes under 40 psi pressure. This pulp falls onto a wire mesh conveyor belt. Meaningful pause. Here, the note's life begins. Appreciative, historical tone. This is the Ford-Renier wire machine, invented in the 19th century and still used today. Henry Ford-Renier patented it in 1806. Calm. The conveyor vibrates slowly, water drips below. Vibration helps fibers spread evenly. Dramatic. Powerful. Vacuum suction units below pull out water powerfully. Fibers start bonding together. Emphasizing, this is where paper actually forms. Steady. Descriptive. Fibers bond into a thin, wet sheet. This sheet goes through pressing rollers, first, second, third. Each removes water from both sides. Pressure reaches 100 psi here. Dramatic, visual. Heated steel cylinders heat to 120 degrees Celsius. Steam rises dramatically as the sheet dries. Impressed, these steam-heated cylinders are energy efficient. Descriptive, the tunnel dryer system maintains 120 degrees Celsius inside. The sheet moves through, taking about 2 minutes to dry. In macro shot, moisture evaporates with tiny bubbles disappearing. Smooth, fast-paced. Now the semi-dry sheet passes over polished rollers at 200 meters per minute. Building suspense, dramatic pause. And now, pause, comes the most important step, security thread insertion. Excited, the machine embeds the RM100 multicolor security thread. Microprinting reads BNM RM100, only visible with magnification. Amazing, the 3mm wide thread shifts color from green to blue from special pigment. Calm, explaining, a sizing machine applies thin gelatin-based protective coating. This helps notes last longer, stay clean, and resist water. Impressed, visual. Infrared heat lamps speed drying with an amazing red glow. Proud, color matching achieves exact Malaysian flag shades. Ink reservoirs connect to the printing press. Building excitement, dramatic. The machine lever activates ink nozzles with hydraulic precision. A robotic arm shifts ink to the main reservoir. Impressed. Orange, yellow, and metallic gold. Impressed. 4 colors apply simultaneously on one roller. Smooth, precise. White security paper rolls line up. Each sheet enters with precision registration. Every sheet sits perfectly. In slow motion, the first color prints, background blue. Paper passes rollers, each applies a new color. 6 rollers for 6 colors. Amazing, whispering. Micro lettering prints tiny text reading BNM Malaysia RM100, only visible under 10x magnification at 0.5 millimeters. Appreciative, cultural pride. Intricate geometric patterns draw inspiration from traditional Malaysian songket textile, hand-woven fabric with gold threads. Mysterious, impressed. Latent image printing uses special ink. The number 100 appears only at a 30-degree angle. Exciting, high energy, high-speed production creates thousands of sheets at 10,000 per hour. Stacking happens while robotic arms remove misaligned sheets. Historical, appreciative, partially printed sheets now enter the intaglio printing section for raised printing. Interesting fact, intaglio printing began in the 15th century in Italy. Descriptive, intaglio ink rollers use special thick ink.
Convoy moving out. Stay alert. Copy that. Perimeter clear.